Hi guys, today we're going to be making a nuke bot with discord.py. It's going to be a fairly short video today. Today we're just going to be going over how to make a bot command that creates channels and adds people in the channels. So we're going to start off here is with our simple bot.command. We're going to do async def nuke, which is what you're going to call CTX. I can't spell. Arg equals string. We're gonna come down here. It's gonna be this is what's gonna allow us. What we're gonna be running right now. It's gonna allow us to mention everybody. Now that line we just wrote there is going to allow our bot to mention everybody. Now I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure you don't have to have administrator or any special roles in the server to be able to add everybody. I'm not 100% certain on it. And we're going to get guild equals ctx.message.guild. Now what this does is once you write your bot command nuke, you would be like something like this without that mark there. But if you put here, like if you put GG, it would create the channels as GG. So if you wanted to make it as a special command or a word, whatever you want to put, something like an advertisement for your server, whatever you want to put, that is what's going to make the channel name. And we're going to do author. No, we're not going to worry about that yet. That's going to be able to make it. If you want to have it in your own server, you can make it so only a certain person can do it. So over here, we're going to do while true. There's the channel equals await. And so you can wait guild dot create underscore text underscore channel, then arg. Now if you wanted to create a voice channel, you would just change this from text to voice, or if you want to create voice and text chats in your nuke, you can just copy and paste this line right here. I'm pretty sure you just copy and paste this, put down here, then change that. It needs to be fine. But today we're just going to be creating it for text channels. Also, don't forget to change the text to voice, and that would allow you to create a voice channel. Now we're just going to do await channel send channels send. It's going to be content. Spell it. This is to add everyone. And then allowed mentions should equal true. Then all we have to do is allow mentions equals allow mentions. If you put that right here, so we're fine. I'm pretty sure this is just it. Let's grab the file if I can find it. Do I find it? Oh, this doesn't want to work. Looks like I accidentally deleted Python for some reason. I don't know why, but I can't open it up. Give me a minute. I'll be right back. I'm gonna reinstall Python. Alright, well, I'm back, guys. a lot longer than I expected. I had to change my actual bot to my main bot that I used because for some reason the one that I made wasn't going online. I just did a quick test run, everything works fine. What you have to do is that you have to open it up in idle, not a big problem. You just run it with F5. And just get Discord up. Come here to Discord. This is my main bot, woman rat. It's a nice name. Do AWR nuke, and then that's your command. But instead of AWR, it would be exclamation point nuke. If you did the same command prefix as I did, AWR nuke. Now this is what I could do to make chat's name. So if I went to I could make it say hello, and now if you just enter, and it creates a nuke basically. And now it'll go on for as long as you let it. I mean, the only way to stop it is if you cut the code. So you stop running the program or the code. But besides that, in a few seconds, you can have 50 apps and 50 channels in here. It's pretty nice. And you could also make it change it instead of adding everybody. You could not add anyone, and it just creates a bunch of channels which are really annoying to remove. But as you see, it just keeps going and going. So that is how you make a simple nuke in discord.py. Next episode, we're going to be learning how to make a mute role and assigning that mute role to somebody in a random server. But you also have to stop it. You have to come here and just stop the program. Just like that, in like a minute, you have almost 200 ads. And people are going to be pissed about that. But anyways, see you guys later. Next video will be coming soon. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'm pretty active. I'll be able to answer them right away. See ya.